Learn B.
1 Corinthians 13:4. Charity suffereth. 1 Corinthians 13:4. Charity suffereth. 1 Corinthians 13:4. Charity suffereth. 1 Corinthians 13:4.
Next.
1 Corinthians 13:5. Doth not. 1 Corinthians 13:5. Doth not. 1 Corinthians 13:5. Doth not. 1 Corinthians 13:5.
Next.
1 Corinthians 13:6. Rejoiceth not. 1 Corinthians 13:6. Rejoiceth not. 1 Corinthians 13:6. Rejoiceth not. 1 Corinthians 13:6.
Next.
1 Corinthians 13:8. Charity. 1 Corinthians 13:8. Charity. 1 Corinthians 13:8. Charity. 1 Corinthians 13:8.
Next.
Galatians 5:22. But the fruit. Galatians 5:22. But the fruit. Galatians 5:22. But the fruit. Galatians 5:22.
Next.
Galatians 5:23. Meekness. Galatians 5:23. Meekness. Galatians 5:23. Meekness. Galatians 5:23. Excellent.
Review B.
1 Corinthians 13:5. Doth not.
Next.
Galatians 5:23. Meekness.
Next.
1 Corinthians 13:8. Charity.
Next.
Galatians 5:22. But the fruit.
Next.
1 Corinthians 13:4. Charity suffereth.
Next.
1 Corinthians 13:6. Rejoiceth not.
Now let's review these verses with the ones you've already learned about getting ready.
Matthew 5:7. Blessed.
Next.
1 Corinthians 13:8. Charity.
Next.
Micah 6:8. He hath showed.
Next.
John 13:35. By this.
Next.
1 Corinthians 13:6. Rejoiceth not.
Next.
Romans 8:28. All things.
Next.
Galatians 5:22. But the fruit,
Next, Matthew 22:37.
thou shalt love.
Next,
1 Corinthians 13:5. Doth not.
next,
Galatians 5:23. Meekness.
next,
Matthew 5:44. Love.
next,
1 Corinthians 13:4. Charity suffereth. May the Lord bless you with the fruit of the Spirit.